final question to you, Sadhguru, is what stands out about the Kumbh is also that, it's a perfect marriage of sorts of science and also of belief, of…
See, this belief does not belong to this civilization, let's understand this.
Meaning?
We don't have belief systems, we have only seeking.
But isn't religion a belief? Aren't you believing in a certain God?
No, there is no religion in this country, that's what I'm telling you. What we call as Sanatan is search for liberation, it's mukti. Seekers, we are a land of seekers, we are not a land of believers. Belief means what? There is a certain absolutism, that I believe this is the direction in which God is sitting. If you say this is the direction, then either I have to kill you or I have to say in between we'll arrive at this direction.
Somewhere else, yeah.
So I'm saying that's not going to work. So people have run religions like this, that was never the case. You can worship the stone on which you're standing. People will say, oh, she's a step worshipper, Hello? Somebody worships a cow, somebody worships a dog, somebody worships a snake, somebody worships a tree, somebody worships nothing, simply looking up. No problem, because we know it doesn't matter what you worship, the important thing is you are trying for profoundness of experience, isn't it? From where it comes, it doesn't matter. We are only interested in the the context in which you're doing it. The content, you can make the boat, for a boatman, boat is God, what is the problem? For you also, when you don't know swimming, boat is God,
Very true, yeah.
Isn't it?
That I agree.
So, this is very important that you understand this and the country understand this and the world understands this, because the future generations will not want to go to heaven. There'll be no ticket queues for that. Everybody knowingly, unknowingly wants liberation. If we make it a conscious process, if you present this properly, future of the world isn't Sanatan. See, you must understand, Sanatan means don't understand it's a religion. Sanatan means eternal. Can something be eternal if it's not all-inclusive?
No.
It has to be all-inclusive, and it is. See, this is why we said Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, everything, these are all becoming like political slogans.
Correct.
That's not what it is, that's not the intent of that. The intent of that is, we never saw this life better than that life, not just human beings. Just we even, we are even talking about microbial life, how we are reverential toward that, because we understand they are the fundamental life here. Foundational life for us.
Correct.
So all living beings we're talking about, because this is not a religion, this is a profound insight into life. Well, in mass transmission it might have taken on many distortions, that's a different matter. So the time like this is the time to correct those distortions to the extent possible. Whatever extent possible, we must correct this, we must make people understand Sanatan is not my religion or your religion. It is the eternal nature of creation. How attuned are you to it? Or how willing are you? Are you willing to take up some method? So what should I do? Should I give up my God and worship Shiva? Nothing like that. The Naga Babas sit in the Himalayas and every day abuse Shiva. Do you know this?
Really?
Yes.
This is what I was asking you about, what you could tell me about.
What is the problem? You say nice things, he says bad things.
Okay.
Because the thing is this, in your life, it's not that you must be in love to transcend something, or you must be in something pleasant to be. If you can maintain 24 hours of anger, you will become liberated. Can you do it?
No.
24 hours, non-stop anger, you cannot do it. You can't do it for a minute actually.
Correct.
So anything, this is why Shankara said, Nischala tattvam jivan mukti. Unwavering, you hold on to something, it doesn't matter what it is. Your father, your mother, your God, your child, your husband, your wife, the river, a stone in your hand, doesn't matter what. Unwavering attention will lead to liberation. That's what they're trying to do here.
Amazing.
That's what the world should do in future. It doesn't matter what it is. So, this is the only civilization which allows the spectrum. Spectrum is 360 degrees. You can worship a pig if you want, you can worship a cow if you want, you can worship nothing and sit here completely unresponsive to everything. It's your choice. Whichever way, yogaratova, bogaratova, somehow make it. That's the important thing. Somehow go beyond your limitations. That's the only thing about Sanatan. This is not a particular religion. This is not about this way of doing or that way of doing. And above all, this is not absolutism. This is it. No. You're somebody who can't swim, you will walk on the river, I swim.
I can't walk on the river, no.
It's okay, just say, I can't swim but I can walk.
I can walk, I can run.
I can't walk, so I swim.
Yeah.
All right, so it doesn't matter, both of us will cross the river. That's the important thing.
Yeah. I think you've inspired me to go ahead and be a part of the Kumbh festivities
You
and
should.
take a dip. Thank you so much,
Thank
Sadhguru.
you.
Thank you very much for joining us. I hope I've answered all of your questions as well about the Mahakumbh, because I know there were a lot of them, particularly to ask them to you, Sadhguru. So I hope I've answered all of them. Thank you very much for tuning in.
All the best to you.
Thank you so
May you
much.
have some little liberation at least.
I hope so. I hope this will help.
At least an installment of mukti must happen to you before you leave this
A
place.
certain percentage
Yes.
at least. Definitely. Thank you, Sadhguru.
Thank you.